Waistbeads have traditionally been worn by African women for many centuries, and some African cultures even believe they have secret amazing powers. Welcome to Tunacheki, and in this video, Tunacheki presents 5 amazing secrets why African women wear waistbeads. If you like informative and educative African videos, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest videos. Number 5. Lingerie. Long before modern-day underwear, waistbeads were used to hold pieces of clothes, and beads functioned as the anchors for the clothes. Today, some African women prefer waistbeads over conventional underwear. Number 4. Body shaping. Waistbeads are used to alert women of their weight gain, weight loss, or if they become pregnant. Another popular reason for women to wear waistbeads is to accentuate her figure. Number 3. Healing and meditation. Waistbeads symbolize a healthy life. When some stones and crystals are used, they take on a healing properties. They are known to heal stress, anxiety, and relax the nerves, especially during pregnancy. Number 2. Heritage and pride. Waistbeads are a symbol of a proud African heritage, history, and culture, and a way to pass down the African values to the future generation. Number 1, and for the reason most of you are waiting for, is waistbeads also act as an aphrodisiac, elevating sexual desires and pleasure. They make women more aware of their sexuality. Waistbeads also have the ability to stir up deep erotic feeling in men. Sexual pleasure is also heightened when men see waistbeads resting seductively on a woman's hips. If you like our videos and want to support us, please check us out on Patreon, and remember to subscribe and hit the notification icon to catch all our latest videos. And remember to leave your suggestions of topics to cover in the comments below.